items that you as an OT or, in your professional experience have found to be helpful to help with mobility and fall prevention in a bathroom besides the, typical grab bars and railings and safety bars and things like that?
I think probably good bath mats that don't slide. Sometimes they like those, kind of wool ones that they slide, and we look at good bath mats. We put down tape, the non-skid tape, so that they don't slip. If the floors are tile and they can be slippery.
Yeah.
If they've got vision problems, I might put down reflective tape or glow in the dark tape, duct tape on the floors to help them. Sometimes they have difficulty identifying the hot and the cold on their shower, which is a burn risk, and we don't want that. So I might use waterproof paint to mark the hot in bright red and the blue in bright blue so that they can feel it. If they have vision impairment, I might use raised paint so that they can feel and then train them. All kinds of things. I make sure that they learn and are trained to wipe down their counters, make sure they keep a towel on the counter so that they can wipe it down and they're not dealing with any wet surfaces.
Mm-hmm.
I make sure that toilet paper, the things they use most often to brush their teeth and shower, are all readily accessible. Make sure their soap is accessible. Sometimes we hang it in a stocking from the shower head so that they always have the soap and they don't have to worry about dropping it.
Yeah.
The bathroom is one of the trickiest places, and I think the thing that has probably the most hazard. We make sure that the plugs, there's no risk of electrocution that they might have while they're, blow drying their hair, and, maybe their coordination isn't so good. We'll take hair dryers and then put them on special clamps so they don't have to hold them forever. So there's all kinds of things we can do in the bathroom to help them eliminate it as a big hazard.
Wonderful.